Hey guys, this is Devi and I would like to welcome you to my channel. And this is another crypto video about a new staking platform called VENTURI Staking Platform, and it works on the Tron blockchain. So for those of you who don't know VENTURI, it is like an improvement of all the other staking platforms that we saw like 9 months ago, for the likes of T2X, DSP, DXY, that staking platform, and all the others. So this one is improved, and it has got a lot of features that it has got. And I did the review some time back. Actually, I've made several videos about VENTURI. So if you want to know more about VENTURI, I'm not going to go into the review now because it is detailed. So I just want to show you my update on VENTURI, as this is the number 9 of this staking platform. So if you look at the auction here, the auction has got 5 hours and 11 minutes to close, and as you can see, it is loading slowly here. So this is the number 9, and if you look at the staking, the auction lobby here, you can see that on day 1 we closed at 250,000 TRX and it went on decreasing until it reached 65,000 TRX, which was like a dip, and then it has started picking up because people have started seeing the good things about this platform. So as you can see, on day number 7 the stakes went up, day number 8 the stakes went up, and today is day number 9, and I do believe this figure is gonna beat this figure because we have 5 hours to go, and we know that most people enter into the auction lobby when it is almost closing. So I know this figure is going to beat this. So guys, it's not too late to join VENTURI staking platform. Just enter. If you don't know how to do it, I have tutorials on all that. You can check my channel. There are several videos from how to enter the auction lobby, how to collect from the auction lobby, how to stake your vent tokens, how to collect your vent tokens, and so on and so on. So all those tutorials, I have them. And so today, if we look at the staking launch here, I have a few vents here that I'm going to stake. I just want to show you guys how to stake them for those of you who don't know. I think it's loading slowly. Hold on. It's loading slowly. Let me start. So I'm having some network problems here. That's why it is loading slowly. I was wondering, so it's the problem is with my Wi-Fi. So guys, I just want to show you how much dividends I've made so far in the 8 days, because this is the number 9. It has not yet closed, so I'm not going to count it. I'm going to just count only the 8 days that I've got dividends. So as you can see, I'm having some tokens here, vent tokens, and I'm going to stake them and show you guys how to do it. So let me just begin with that. So it is 3654, and remember you do not put the points. Let me stake it for 50 days, and if you click the stake button, your wallet will have to pop up where you have to confirm the transaction. So you click accept, and it shows that it has been successfully staked for 50 days. So if you go down, it will appear here. So it will start earning on day number 10, as you can see, and it will end on day number 60. So this one started running on day number 9, and it will end on day number 59. So with the dividends that we are going to collect today, I'm going to be able to receive some dividends here. So so to count the dividends I've got so far, let me pull out my calculator. I'm going to begin with this ended stake. It is 4,230 TRX. So I'm also going to add this, add this, add this. These ones are small, but they are worthy. So I'm going beginning with 4,230. I add on 2240. I add on 885. I add on 69. I add on 103. Most of these ones I've only earned for one day. So I add on 1,000, 1,140. I add on 370. I add on 220. Yeah, that's all I think. So I've so far accumulated 9,267 TRX in form of Tron dividends in just 8 days. So guys, if you're looking for some long-term project, invest in VENTURI Staking Platform, and you won't regret. So if you have any questions, just reach out to me. I'm leaving my social media handles in the comment section, in the description of this video. Reach out to me and I'll be able to help you to get started. And there are also some videos on my channel. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos that I bring out every day. So guys, this is VENTURI, and that's all I have for today in day number 9.